This is how your dashboard will look like when you join MSN. Now, if you want to have your own pet cat, then just search this magic words. Let there be cat and enter. Voila. You got your own cat. Wait, cat, the music. Let's go. Start music like this and play another music like this. It's playing. Yeah. Now, if you want to see how it feels like or how it sounds when someone joins your community, if it's paid, then listen. That's how it sounds. Well, if you are tired of your cat and it's bugging you, just say her Shoo cat and it's gone. Now, see you in the